Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to day 14 of this Papercraft Society Advent Calendar. And together with Katarina and Mel, we are sharing daily videos, unboxing tutorials, so check them out and see what they are sharing as well. And remember about our hashtag PS Advent Calendar 2023, so we can check out what kind of projects you are making as well. And it would be nice to inspire each other. So let's see what's in wallet number 14. So it was designed by Card Making Magic. Let's look inside, and wow, first embossing folder. I like it a lot. And I think we had those flowers and leaves in another wallet. I recognize those leaves definitely, and that shape. Yes, I think, yeah, we had cutting dies, so it would be nice to use this maybe together. I have to think about it. This is the first embossing folder. That's so cool. I think it's going to be really nice. So what, as always, I'm going to prepare some elements, and I will be back with a hopefully short step-by-step tutorial for another project. So I've got all the elements ready, and I decided to do 4x6 card because I picked that pink cardstock from yesterday's, from day number 13. We had those three colors and I decided to use the pink with the embossing folder, and that a metallic card comes from this Violet Studio paper pack, which I showed you some few days ago probably, because I used that already. And I've got that stamp as well, which is stamped. So let me put this card together, and I hope you will like it as well. So we've got the card base, which measures 4x6 inches, and we've got the first layer, which is 1/4 of an inch smaller. Apologies for the glare because it's metallic card, so I think it's going to be a bit shiny. So this one is down, and then I will add that embossed paper. I really like that embossing folder. I was looking those cutting dies with those leaves and flowers, but I decided that it would be a bit too much. I might still use it in another project because I really want to use as many of those wallets as I can. So let me do this one now. I cut myself that ribbon and that strip of paper, and I'm going to use this glue pen to adhere my ribbon. So I'm just making sure that it's straight. And I'm not going to add any tape under that ribbon because sometimes it's actually visible, so I decided not to do that. And I'm going to, and anyway, I'm going to put a sentiment, so that should be enough. I think I will cut off that bit a little bit, and for now everything is adhered flat, and that sentiment will be flat as well, because I feel like I need some simple cards for just to have it handy, because I do some ATC swaps and I send some happy mails. So sometimes it's good to have some cards ready. As I said yesterday, I think as well, that it's nice to have quick and easy cards ready for whenever I need to send something very quickly. So I really like that composition, and if you follow my channel, you know that I like to add that strip on my projects, on my cards, and I think it just gives that extra interest to my cards. So this one will be flat, and it will be in the center. So I think that strip of metallic card and that ribbon will give that a little bit extra interest to my card, and I think it will just be enough. So I need to press it a little bit and hold it for the glue to set. And look at that, I think this card is really super cute, very easy, quick and easy card to make, quick and easy to post. I was thinking maybe to add some gems, or I was thinking to color that banner in a light purple just to go with that purple ribbon, but I think I will leave it for now. Whenever I will feel like I want to send this card to someone, and then I can tweak it a little bit, but for now I think that's enough. So let me know what do you think about this little card. How are you going to use your embossing folder? Do you have other ideas? You could actually fussy cut those leaves and emboss flowers and use it in your project if you wish. There are different ways of doing that. You can ink that embossing folder and run it through with white paper to get like a mixed media effect slightly. So there are different ways how you could use it. I decided to go for simplicity today, and I hope you will like it. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your comments in my previous videos. Thank you for continuous support and for checking Katarina and Mel as well. And remember about that hashtag PS Advent Calendar 2023. I can't believe that it's over. It's day number 14. We are more than halfway through that Advent calendar. Such a fantastic idea to do those videos, I think. So thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.